Let's do a guided meditation for being aware of being aware. Being aware of being aware could be considered the highest form of meditation. It's your true nature, completely self-aware at all times, an awareness of the self 24/7. This guided meditation is going to have that transmission in it. You don't need to do anything. Simply just be open. Be open and just allow. Just accept. Allow yourself to just relax. Go ahead and close your eyes. And just let go of the past. Let go of the future. Let go of your story. Let go of your identity. Let go of who you think you are. Just empty yourself out completely. And just be completely open, completely innocent, not knowing anything, completely empty. Now be aware of how you are relaxing deeper and deeper, sinking into the stillness, just allowing the mind to melt as you become absorbed in the silence. I am aware of the silence. I am aware of the stillness. This stillness, this silence is not separate from me. I am this stillness. I am this silence. I am aware of being aware. Be 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 aware of being aware. What is aware of being aware? 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 Notice how, when you are aware of being aware, there is no thoughts. There's not even the thought of I. Notice how being aware of being aware is pure peace, pure happiness. As awareness, you're just watching the watching. As consciousness, you're just knowing the knowing. Always awake, always aware, ever present, just in the background. Notice how being aware of being aware is a relaxation of attention. That awareness is simply attending itself. There's an expansiveness, a very relaxed, natural state that is not really a state, because this does not come and go. It's more of your nature. It's not your state. It's your nature. And that's why it feels so natural. Being aware of being aware. Your true nature.